Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to remove videos from watch later on YouTube. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to and open the YouTube app. After that go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. After that go and click on view all next to playlists. And as you can see here, there is a playlist called Watch Later. Maybe if you have a lot of playlists, you will find it like in another place, but probably you will find it like in the beginning. Just click on it. And as you can see here, you have all the videos that you put it on Watch Later. And if you want to delete any video of them, you have just to go and click on the three dots next to the video. And after that, go and click on remove from watch later. And voila, the video is deleted. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.